not everything is going to make sense. You have to be able to live with knowing that some things are just never going to make sense. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Sometimes in life things are just not going to make sense. You can put all your hard work, put all your effort into things, and put all your effort into building your business, building a brand, and it just doesn't take off. Sometimes things in life don't make sense, and that's okay. You have to be okay with some things not making sense. You can't always be too curious to the point where you're questioning your existence. For example, in religions, there's some things that don't make sense, but you just have to have faith and believe. You can't prove every single situation. You can't live through life trying to prove every situation. Life is very unpredictable. Don't spend too much time trying to make sense of it. Sometimes you're just not going to get things that you think you deserve. Sometimes, you may put all your hard work, you may have studied and didn't even sleep for days, studied for an exam, get there and you fail, and you think, how could this be possible? I know every single thing, and it just doesn't make sense to you. Sometimes things are just not going to make sense. That's why life is so unpredictable. You just have to get on. You have to do your part. Try and do things to the best of your ability. Try and do your part, your side of the bargain, without questioning things. The more you question things, sometimes you find people spending too much time questioning on their existence, questioning on how we got to this earth, questioning the logic behind whether the earth is flat, whether it's not. The truth is, you will never really have the answers. So what's important to you, spending too much time focusing on how we got to this earth, or while you're here on earth trying to make a life for yourself. Sometimes things just don't make sense. You'll be in a relationship and someone will leave and you think, what did I do? You can't spend too much time thinking, how could I have made the situation better? What did I do? Sometimes it's not even about you. It just doesn't make sense. Some things are not always going to make sense. You can't question how things have happened. You just have to have faith, trust in God, and trust that you're doing the best you possibly can for yourself. Don't be too stuck on trying to find out the meaning of life. Sometimes you see people that go through life spending so much time trying to find the meaning of life, trying to find out what their life means, trying to find out how they got here, trying to find out all these unanswered questions. How about just living for the moment, planning for what you want your future to be like, planning for how you see life as successful? Don't spend too much time focusing on this thing. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.